Right now we are in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir, and in the wee hours today Pakistan violated ceasefire and resorted to heavy shelling in the border villages. In this border village in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir, you can see that what Pakistani army has done. They have targeted the innocent villagers, they have targeted the innocent people living near the line of control, both in Rajouri as well as in Poonch district. Look at the extent of damage that has taken place. This is a concrete house and the walls are broken. You can see what has happened. Mortar shell, landed here, and Pakistan created havoc here. You can see the scenes of destruction here. There were 3 to 4 people inside this house when Pakistan resorted to heavy shelling. All of them are injured and they were immediately rushed to Government Medical College and Hospital here in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. And look at the extent of damage that has taken place. See, there are cracks on the walls. You can also see the splinter marks. So heavy mortar shelling has been reported from Rajouri and Poonch districts of Jammu and Kashmir. As per the information that is coming in from Poonch district, 10 people have lost their lives in Pakistani shelling, while more than 30 people are injured in Poonch district. And in Rajouri district, 4 people are injured. We are exactly at ground zero and you can see the extent of damage that has taken place. Concrete walls are totally broken. This was the bedroom of this house, and look and see what has happened here. All the belongings of the people here are totally damaged and scattered on the floor. Imagine what must have happened here late last night in the wee hours. People were targeted here, innocent people were targeted here. Pakistan was rattled by India's retaliatory action after the Pahalgam terror attack. In the wee hours today, late last night, Indian Army carried out surgical strikes under the Operation Sindoor. Terror hideouts, terror launch pads were targeted by the Indian Army, and the headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed in Bahawalpur in Pakistan's Punjab province and headquarters of Lashkar terror organization in Muridke were targeted and totally decimated. India carried out major strikes on the terror hideouts and the terror hotspots in Pakistan as well as in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir. So Pakistan is rattled after Indian armed forces Operation Sindoor, and that is why Pakistan is now resorting to ceasefire violations. Pakistan is targeting innocent villagers here along the line of control in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri and Poonch districts. See the extent of damage that has taken place here. See what has happened here. These are concrete walls, totally damaged. So heavy shelling was reported from the twin border districts of Rajouri and Poonch in the wee hours today. The injured have been rushed to the hospital. They are battling for their lives there. 10 people have lost their lives in Pakistani shelling in Poonch district of Jammu and Kashmir, while more than 30 people are injured. Here in Rajouri district also, border villages have been targeted along the line of control. Heavy mortar shelling was reported here, and I will just ask my camera person to show you the pictures. See what has happened here. These are the splinter marks. One can just imagine what must have transpired here in the wee hours, what people must have faced here. Innocent people have been targeted. Look at the splinter marks here. So Pakistan is resorting to brutality. Pakistan is targeting innocent people. And Pakistan is rattled after Indian Army's Operation Sindoor. Terror hotspots, headquarters of terrorist organizations in Pakistan as well as in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir have been totally damaged in India's retaliatory action after the horrific Pahalgam terror attack. We have avenged Pahalgam terror attack. We have taught a lesson to Pakistan. But Pakistan is not mending its ways. Pakistan continues to target the innocent people in Jammu and Kashmir. With video journalist Neeraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Rajouri district in Jammu and Kashmir for India Today.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.